Question 1. Cleo had a vivid imagination, so it was no surprise when she announced that she would be late. Question 2. For tea on Friday because she was going on a school trip to a distant galaxy. The trip was free as. Question 3. The alien pupils were providing the spaceship and accommodation. She would require a pact. Question 4. Lunch and several changes of clothes as they would be traveling for centuries. Smirking. Question 5. Mum suggested putting astronaut lollipops in her lunchbox. Dad joked about weighing down. Question 6. Her trainers. Cleo just smiled that secretive smile she reserved for occasions when they clearly. Question 7. Didn't believe her. The next week, Mum waited patiently with the other parents. At 6 o'clock. Question 8. There was a brief shudder and a gentle whisper of air, then 40 excited children emerged out. Question 9. Of nowhere, accompanied by an identical number of bright blue aliens with enormous eyes. Question 10. Didn't I mention, asked Cleo as Mum's jaw visibly dropped. It's an exchange visit. Question 11. The next morning, Cleo felt genuinely excited about showing her alien friend around Earth. Question 12. The blue creature had incredible technology that could translate any language instantly. Question 13. They visited the local museum where ancient artifacts fascinated the young alien visitor. Question 14. At the park, they played football and the alien demonstrated remarkable athletic abilities. Question 15. For lunch, they shared sandwiches and the alien found Earth food surprisingly delicious. Question 16. The alien was particularly interested in Earth's weather patterns and cloud formations. Question 17. They spent the afternoon exploring the neighborhood and meeting Cleo's curious friends. Question 18. The alien spaceship was equipped with advanced navigation systems for interstellar travel. Question 19. Before dinner, they watched the sunset together while discussing different planetary systems. Question 20. The alien promised to stay in touch and send regular messages about life in space. Question 21. Cleo's parents were initially skeptical but became completely convinced after meeting the visitor. Question 22. The experience taught everyone about friendship transcending boundaries of space and time. Question 23. When departure time arrived, both families felt genuinely sad about saying goodbye. Question 24. The alien gave Cleo a special communicator device to maintain their intergalactic friendship. Question 25. As the spaceship disappeared into the starry night, Cleo knew this was just the beginning.